Welcome to Genesis Engineers Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss on hydraulic pumps under the fluid power control systems. So this is in the previous video we have discussed about gear pumps. In this video we are going to discuss on this is vane pump. Okay, this is vane pump, I think, right? So this is total, this is the pump body. So I will explain clearly, just listen to me, the important parts. And this is that is a cam ring. This is called as a cam ring. So in which this rotor is eccentrically rotates on this one, and it is the shaft. You got my point? So this is the shaft, through it is rotated through the bearing and it is coupled to the rotor. So in this it is coupled to the prime mover. Okay, so the motion is coming from the prime mover, which is coupled to the shaft of this pump, and this is rotor is mounted on this shaft, so which rotates in between this cam ring. Okay, so this shape, that is the space here, it is the vane guide, and this part is vane. So it reciprocates, that is it slides in this vane guide. So you can assume like that one. So this is the space. This is called, the space is called vane guide, in which this vane moves. Okay, so it is the inlet, and through which this it is coming. That is the fluid or otherwise oil enters into this area, and this is having some cavities of this, and this is entered like this way. You have to assume like, you understand my point? So the fluid enters into this, and it is collected here and also collected here, and this vane by sliding down will rotate this way. Okay, what is happening? This is being carried away to this here in this space. It is not visible to us, and this is called, here you can say this is the pump chamber. Okay, so this is also chamber. This chamber I call it as inlet chamber. This chamber is called as outlet chamber. So these inlet and outlets are that is arranged, that is in 90 degrees. Sometimes it is 180 degrees. So you have observed, this is the practical one, and this is the cover points. Like that there will be other side also. Okay, and we will provide accordingly, that is sales and all things. Next, that I have drawn, I have taken only two things. So that is I have taken here. So this inlet and outlet are arranged 180 degrees in 180 degrees. Okay, so the space here it is, this is the vane, and this space here it is called vane guide. Okay, so this vane slides in and out. Okay, so this is the fluid entering into this one. So this the outer total body is called pump body, I can say, or otherwise you say casting. The other side we have not drawn. So we have this part resembles this one. What is that? I will show. So this is the thing. So that we have taken, we have not shown here. We have taken only inlet. What my point? Only inlet, and this we have shown here. So it is not possible to draw everything. So this is called cam surface, or otherwise cam ring. The inside part is called cam surface, and this is called cam ring, you can say. Okay, so this is the outlet, this is the rotor, this is the shaft we have shown. So as you know, the pump action is to suck first and to increase the pressure and deliver to the outlet. Okay. So what are the actions to be taken? First thing is suction, then transfer, then deliver. Okay. So the suction is created because of the replacement of the fluid and rotation of this one. Suction means this is negative pressure here and the fluid collects here and which is being rotated and transferred like this one. This is happening in the gear pump also, but the gears are fixed. Here these gears are vanes. Okay, so this is negative pressure and then the transfer is done by vanes. Okay, so this will rotate and the fluid enters into that in this spaces also the fluid is there because of that pressure and it will be moved up because of the gravity it will touch. So the maximum limit to which the slides moves is the cam inner surface. You got it? So that is the thing. So because of this one and the pump chamber is here and the whatever is transferred will be collected here. And the further action of this will also increase the pressure and the fluid leaves the outlet. Okay, that's all about the vane pump. Okay, suction, transfer, delivery. Suction is created automatically, transfer is done by the vanes and further compression of the fluid will increase the pressure. That's all. Now, balanced vane pump. This is also same. So you don't get confused with this thing. So you can simply cut off here for like this one. Okay. So you assume that this circuit is not there. Not necessary. Only you show these inlet and outlet. In this balanced, we have this is the cam surface or otherwise cam ring. This is the inner surface to which it is rotor is that is constrained and the rotor is rotates within that one. So this is vanes and the space provided in the way that is rotor we call it as a vane guide. Okay, so this is the shaft. Okay, and what is how it is being balanced means we have provided two inlets, two outlets. You observe this side one inlet, this side other inlet, this is one outlet, this is one outlet. So whatever the fluid comes here will be transferred here and released this one. So whatever transferred here will be released. You understand, right? So in that way, so one way the inlet is there, one way the outlet is also there. So whatever comes in, so that is why you have to concentrate only in this one. If you observe, so this cam surface in the cam ring is elliptical and the rotor, as you know, it is what you call circular. Okay, so this is the shaft on which this rotor is mounted. Rotor having the other side of this one. I can say, I can draw, suppose it is the rotor. Okay, so here some that is slots or holes are provided on the outer surface of this ring, so that the fluid enters into this one and because of the pressure that is a minimum pressure and these guides will move and in and out. So that's all about this vane pump. Only thing is, if you are interested, these how you can draw both the things, that is these are the outlets and these are the inlets. Outlets are combined and you have only one single outlet final, and these inlets are combined, you will provide at one place only. So this is about balanced vane pump, and so